If you've ever looked into ceramic coatings, you've probably heard about Mr. Fix 9H, the ultra-cheap ceramic coating you can find on AliExpress or Temu for as little as $5. But is it really worth your money, or should you save up for something better? In today's video, I'll give you my honest opinion about Mr. Fix 9H first. Let's talk about what Mr. Fix 9H actually is. It's a nano-ceramic coating that claims to protect your car's paint from UV rays, dirt, water, and minor scratches, while giving it a shiny, glossy finish. The apostrophe H in the name refers to its supposed hardness level, which is often used to indicate scratch resistance. For just $5 to $15, you get a 30 milliliter bottle, an applicator pad, and sometimes even a microfiber towel. It sounds like an incredible deal, especially compared to premium ceramic coatings that can cost $500 or more. So how does it work? Like most ceramic coatings, Mr. Fix 9H is a liquid polymer that you apply to your car's surface. It bonds chemically to create a hydrophobic layer, meaning water and dirt will slide off more easily. In theory, it also protects your paint from minor abrasions and UV damage, keeping your car looking newer for longer. The premium coatings go through rigorous testing and use high-quality materials. Budget coatings like Mr. Fix 9H are often mass-produced with lower quality ingredients. That can lead to inconsistencies in performance. Let's start with the positives. The most obvious one is the price. For less than the cost of a coffee, you can try out a ceramic coating on your car. This makes it an attractive option for people who want to experiment or who are on a tight budget. It's also really easy to use. Unlike professional-grade coatings that require meticulous preparation, Mr. Fix 9H is designed for DIY application. Lastly, it does offer short-term benefits. Many users report that it provides a noticeable gloss and some hydrophobic properties right after application. It's not groundbreaking, but for $5, it's hard to complain. Now let's talk about the downsides. First, durability is a major concern. While premium coatings can last years, Mr. Fix 9H often loses its hydrophobic and glossy properties after just a few months, or even weeks in some cases. This means you'll need to reapply it frequently, which can be a hassle. And let's be real, this isn't a miracle product. While it claims to offer 9H hardness, you shouldn't expect it to protect against major scratches or environmental damage. At best, it's a temporary enhancement, not a long-term solution. So how does Mr. Fix 9H compare to a premium ceramic coating that costs $500 or more? The main difference is durability and performance. A high-end ceramic coating will give you years of protection, deeper gloss, and superior scratch resistance. Plus, it's professionally applied. Mr. Fix 9H, on the other hand, is more like a temporary wax with some ceramic properties. It's great for someone who wants to try out ceramic coatings or add a quick shine, but it's not a replacement for professional-grade products. So, is Mr. Fix 9H worth it? If you're on a tight budget or just curious about ceramic coatings, it's not a bad product to start with. However, if you're looking for long-term protection or a truly professional finish, you'll be better off investing in a premium ceramic coating. As the saying goes, you get what you pay for. Thanks for watching. Have you tried Mr. Fix 9H or any other budget ceramic coatings? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.